we have domino train. Let's see what's inside, boys and girls. Isn't this exciting? Oh, we have all kinds of different color. What color is that? That's green. Green rectangular shape there. Here's some orange rectangular shapes. What is this? This looks like it's some kind of blue rectangular shape. Oh, got a train here. I'm gonna open that one up. I'm gonna cut this. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. Can you say toot toot, boys and girls? Toot toot. Yes, that is a train. That's the engine part of the train. Here we go. Here's the train right there. And then here we have dominoes. No wonder they said domino train. What a cute little train. And he'd be spitting out the dominoes out the back there. Boys and girls, here's our train. I went and put patterns in here. It's going to be coming out of the back. And you're going to see some patterns, and we'll work on those patterns after we see this thing working. And here's the on switch. Here we go, boys and girls. Look at that. Can you see a pattern? Oops. Okay, here's the pattern right here, and I'll go through that with you in a few minutes. I'm going to lift it up, our train. See, right here you can change these wheels too. It can go around in a circle. But I'm not going to have it going around in a circle because I'm trying to show you the different patterns. Boys and girls, here's our pattern. Orange, green, blue. Orange, green, blue. Orange, green, blue. Now look here. We're starting with a different pattern. We have blue, blue, green, green, orange, orange, blue, blue, green, green, orange, orange, blue, blue, green, green, orange. What's the missing color, boys and girls? Yes, orange. And I'm going to knock these down right now. Let's see it go down. Oh, look at that, boys and girls. Now I'm going to turn our train on again. And we're going to start with what color is going to come out of the back here. Remember what it was? It was orange. So we're looking for an orange to come out. So let's move this back a little bit further. Here we go. And that was it. There is our orange. And then we're starting a different pattern. Blue, green, orange. Blue, green, orange. Blue, green. And the last color is orange. Those are patterns. And when you do yours, you can put a pattern in here and watch it come out. And we can do patterns of one. So we have orange, green, blue. What will be the next color? Orange. The next color would be green. What is the next color, boys and girls? And the blue color. And we continue with this pattern. Orange, green, blue. Rectangles here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember we have the green. I'm going to use the green ones now. How many do I need, boys and girls? How many do you see there? There's 5, so we're going to put down 5 green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. pattern going. We have a pattern of 5s. So how many of these bluish ones do I need? Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called different patterns. We can do a simpler pattern would be by 2s. So I'm going to take away a few of these here. And then you have 2s. Domino train for 3 plus and older. And when I say older, you know, in 2nd grade and 3rd grade, and maybe, and also in 1st grade, you learn patterns. The domino train is an educational toy.